Okuku OKWA AGHA Kunyoto. Okuku OKWA AGHA Kunyoto. Okuku OKWA AGHA Kunyoto. Yeah. Okuku Calabash 22-3 dark all night. It is war. That's your name. Okuku OKWA AGHA. Energies of battle and war. Rise, get up. I used male cow, female cow, roaster, son, 33 bitter cooler. Roasters, hens. You can get mother goat, rams to awaken, and 22-33 colonels to awaken and stand you up. And I say skyrocket to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinity, orbit, into all the elements, into all land, all ocean, all airspace worldwide, into Nigeria, north, south, east, and west, south, south, southeast, into Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent, USA, into Russia, into Iran, into China. Transfer there. Stand up on all land, on ocean or airspace. Transfer into our science and technologies. Into USA, NATO, Israel, Canada, and all good human, mad, and all good countries. Into our science and technologies. We shall discover all the enemies of humanity, enemies of the world, enemies of USA, NATO, Israel, Canada, all their enemies, Hamas, Hezbollah, all hidden secret enemies. We shall discover them and destroy them. Destroy them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. The weapons of mass destruction and terrorism, and all their energies, and all their science and technologies. Destroy them and wipe them out. You shall energize us, move us forward, skyrocket us. No casualty on our side, and no injuries. Move us forward, based in USA, NATO, science and technology, transfer to Israel to all good countries, and all that agree with us. Somebody be. You say, SankoFM, chief priest for Los Angeles, California, USA. USA, USA, USA.